Let's have a look at premium validation in OmniLife. In the premium result table, there is a column called insurer. This is where you will find the links to validate and transfer the quotes. We have linked with a handful of insurers to premium validate and transfer, and we're working on adding more all the time to set up that link between our software and the insurer's systems. For example, under Zurich, if I click on the bullseye icon, this will validate the quote with Zurich. It'll go green with a tick, which shows us that we've matched the premium with Zurich's information. We can also transfer this premium into Zurich's quote portal by clicking on the little arrows and entering our advisor credentials. Now you can also save these credentials into our system by ticking Remember Credentials, and we'll transfer the quote. This opens Zurich's quoting portal, and we've brought through the client details and the quote details, as you can see. Now you can continue the quote and move on to application if that's what you'd like to do. We can also download the report straight from the insurer by clicking on the little document icon. This downloads the quote report straight from the insurer and gives you that illustration.